Hey guys, so today I want to take a quick look at my Boxee box from D-Link, which you can see right there in the middle. It is kind of like a little box that you can connect to your HD TV to get access to apps, movies, shows. You have friends, you can access your files in your home network. Let's say you can see my Mac over here, a Mac computer, and I have some movies and stuff on that, maybe some music. I can stream that to that box and get it out on my TV by connecting an HDMI cable from that little box to my TV. So it's pretty cool, it's pretty awesome. So here we can see I'm at the normal interface of Boxee box. You can also see this is the controller. I will also leave a link in the description if you want to check out the Boxee box where you can buy it and stuff. But the cool thing with the controller here is that it's two-sided. So what you do get on one of the sides is a full QWERTY keyboard, so it's extremely easy when you want to type something. And on the other side you have this kind of nice look here with the play and pause button. You can skip stuff, and then you also have a button here for accessing the menu. So this is the interface, how it looks like. You can see my YouTube, or not my YouTube username, but a name there. We do have places like the app section, and the apps that I use the most right now is Spotify, and I also do use YouTube app a little bit. But there's also a ton of other cool little apps here that do work. Like they have CNET apps, they do have a lot of gaming apps, IGN, we do have Machinima here, we have Break, we have a ton of fun apps, College Humor, you have sports apps like NBA.com, and most of the apps seems to be pretty decent actually. So how does the apps works? Because this Boxee box costs around 160 bucks, 150 bucks on like Amazon, and I think it's extremely good because it can fully stream 1080p video, wireless, and music and stuff. So I mean, the price that you would pay for it is pretty good. Also, like the Spotify app, it is a little bit slow sometimes. You have to wait a few seconds, let it load up and stuff. Now also something that's bad many times is that you have to log in every time you reboot the box or something. But the cool thing is that you can have Spotify playing in the background and go back to menu and check out other things. That is pretty cool. You do have the YouTube app that's kind of like the same YouTube app as you would get in my Samsung Smart TV over here. Also something that's pretty cool is here with files, I do have a MacBook over there. I have a video on it. I can just go to Apple filing protocol here on the files page, and I can connect to my computer. There we go. Type that stuff in if you have something, and then I have a folder here that I do share with my network called Media. And you can see I have created some folders in here like music, photos, videos, and if you go to videos here you can see that I do have the Pineapple Express movie, and it's in like MP4 format, 1.6 gigabytes big. It streams awesome, and it's just like a nice way to stream all your stuff, and it's just wireless and it works, and it's awesome. I haven't had a problem so far with it. You can just go back here. Of course you have a ton of other things you can do, a universal plug and play Windows network if you have like Windows computers and stuff. And then also of course we do have the movie page here where you can check out. This of course will be different depending on the region you are located in, but we do have movies here that we can start to play, and it's pretty sweet. And it's also a quick box actually. It's the Spotify app, you gotta load up like a minute maybe, or like 45 seconds or something when you boot it up, and then you can't rush too much in the menus. But when you play songs and when you skip songs like a normal person, not rush through skipping stuff, it actually works kind of awesome. You also have the shows feature where you can see a ton of different shows that is available in your region. I mean, Revenge, The Following, Game of Thrones, TED Talks. You have a lot of For the Chown, Face Off. Of course, this will be different in the region you live in, but it's nice. It's very, very nice. I'm extremely happy with this box also, because what I also can do is that I do listen to music here on my iPhone here, and what I could do is when I play music here on my iPod or my iPhone, basically, I can stream it to the Boxee box by just going here in the menus, and let's see. Yeah, I can stream it to my Boxee box wireless, and most of the times it works, but sometimes you do get some glitches, but it's also a way that you can stream music, you can stream your videos and everything wireless, and most of the times it works pretty awesome. It's also going to be fun if I will compare this box against like the Apple TV and see which one I do like the most. Also, what's awesome is that it has a full web browser that has a full flash support. I haven't had any issues whatsoever. You can go to the YouTube, the full YouTube page, and watch YouTube videos with flash enable, and actually the browser is faster than the browser, the built-in browser that you get in the Samsung Smart TV from my experience, so that is pretty awesome. The way I will use this Boxee box most of the times is that I will stream music from my iPod or like my iPhone wireless, and then also I will download music. I can download movies and TV shows and everything, and then I can just instantly access the files page on my Boxee box, and I can stream it wireless, and it's just awesome. It just works, I haven't had any problems so far with it. That is why I do enjoy it. And also there's cool because they have a ton of, you can see of course the most popular app, Spotify app. Actually, if you just want to use the built-in Spotify app, it is also pretty good. And that you do have some other apps. You have Reddit app, you have Vimeo app, there's just Islam Box, Russia Today, College Humor. You have a lot of fun stuff in here, so you can just waste time here. And I haven't noticed any weird things that the box used to close or have any weird glitches or something like that. You have President Obama. You have some random stuff in here, but it's pretty cool. It's pretty awesome, and if I do get any problems with it, I probably will do a video about it. But so far I think that the apps is like better than the apps that you do get on the Samsung Smart TV in general, and also the control feels better to use than like a Samsung Smart TV control. And also the QWERTY keyboard is really killer feature. When you type in passwords, when you type in stuff, it's just amazing to have this full quick keyboard here, and you can just type and type, and you won't have any problems whatsoever typing in passwords and stuff. Let's see, can we find NLL network, the tech bus, the Italian food, Indian food. You can learn a lot in here actually. There's a lot of free content, free videos that's very easy to access and to reach with this little box. And of course you also do have things like, you can see what you've been watching on earlier, recently played, so you can just quickly go back to that. And also you do have the feature here to go into the general area, and you can actually change stuff in here. You have file sources, network. Of course you do have wireless, wireless built into it, so you don't have to have an Ethernet cable. We can go into system here, and we have some quick information in there. Pretty cool, pretty awesome. What do you think about the Boxee box? Have you used it? If you want to check it out on Amazon, I will have a link in the description. But I love it so far. I love this multimedia streaming way, and that it just works pretty good. And I love the pricing, that the HD really looks good on it, and that you can stream wireless, and it is just amazing. So you should definitely check it out if you haven't done so already. You can also see the time and the weather and some other awesome stuff. So yeah, I do hope you have enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like or something, and I will hopefully see you all in the next video. So yeah, until next time, you just have an awesome day, and I will see you all in the next video. Peace out.